Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me fixing this. Today's video is going to be a pop of violet, and I'm very excited to film this because I am actually inspired by Erin Lim on, I think she's on the Rundown, but I saw a picture of her actually on Instagram. So maybe both. But that is where I'm getting the inspiration for this look. I don't have it screenshot or anything. I just knew that, or I know that she had this really cool inner corner violet thing going on, and I was all about it. And I took off my acrylic yesterday, so bear with the nails. They've been through it. They have been through it. So subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, I'm gonna start using the Lorac Behind the Scenes eye primer. This is one of my favorites, and for this look I don't think I want a whole lot going on the actual eyelid itself, but I still am going to put shadow there because I have this natural orange red coloring here. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar Palette. I have no idea if this is still available on TooFaced.com or not. I think it is, but I don't know. I haven't really looked into it. So if it isn't, I'm sorry. I can probably link down below like some Makeup Geek shadows that look similar. I don't really know if they have the exact same color payoff, but I would check out Makeup Geek or Anastasia. ColourPop makes shadows now, so really anything, but this is just what I have. I'm gonna use the shade Banana Date, which is this one right here. I'm using this one instead of Glaze because this one's a little bit more yellow toned, and I'm gonna use Glaze probably to highlight my brow bone later on. Take the shade Cake Batter, which is this one right here. It's my favorite transition shade to use out of the entire palette. And I'm going to pick this up on just a blending brush. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm going to use this one as a transition shade because it's not too dark. I don't want the eye look really to be too much. And I'm going to take the shade Chocolate Syrup, which is this one right here. Now I'm just going to blend out the edges, that way they're not super sharp. Now, so I don't leave the lid like completely bare, I'm going to take this Cookie Dough shade right here. It's just a light brown with some glitter in it. Oop, you can't even see it. There it is. This one. And this is actually a really light color. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Electric Purple. Now I'm going to take my Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer in Champagne by Laura Geller, and we're going to ignore the fact that my eyeliner is not completely even and pretend that it is. For foundation, I'm going to be trying something new. This is the CoverGirl, well, it's not really new, but it's new to me. The CoverGirl Clean Matte Foundation. This one is in the shade 510 Classic Ivory. I tried the original Clean Foundation. It kind of irritated my skin. This one is not heavily scented, so hopefully this one works out a lot better. Take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 Fair. I'm going to take the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. Contour, I'm going to use the Tarte Pro Glow, and I'm going to use the shade Sculpt, which is the powder contour shade. Oh, for bronzer, I'm going to use the Laura Geller Baked Body Frosting on my face and Body Glow and Tahitian Glow. To me, this is literally, I mean, you guys know this is my favorite bronzer. I don't have that many bronzers to choose from, but this one's just my favorite. And I need to, like, get more bronzers. I feel like I have, like, maybe, like, 3 that like I really like, but I feel like I always use this one, so I need to get like another good bronzer. But like bronzers, I feel like they don't interest me a whole lot because I feel like swatching bronzers and blushes is like almost pointless, I feel like, because like blushes you really got to see them on, and same with bronzers, like you really just gotta see them on. Like I know the type of finish I like, but other than that, like colors, I'm just like, it's not too interesting to me. It's just kind of like you know, ooh, that's a bronzer. You know, I never see a bronzer on the internet and I'm like, I have to have that, you know? For blush, I'm going to take the LA Colors Pink Blush. That way, it's like a super, super light color. That way there's nothing too dramatic on my cheeks. I'm also going to highlight using this as well. Just a little bit. I'm going to take the shade Stunner, which is this one right here. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. Now going back into my white chocolate bar palette. Chocolate Syrup, which again is this one right here. And I'm going to run that across my eye edges, my lower lash line. Highlight my brow bone using the shade Glaze, which is this shade right here. Shade Lavender Cake, which is the shade right here. For the lips, this is the Stila Stale Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Viola. I think they renamed this shade though, so I'm not entirely sure what the new name is. My pop of violet turned into pop of lavender very quick. But this is the completed look. I really like this. It's really different for me. I know the eyeliner looks black, but it is purple. But I do really like it because it is so different, I guess. I don't really use my Viola lipstick really a whole lot. I think I've been able to use it like 3 times. And I should probably give it a little bit more love because I do have it and I did buy it. But I just don't wear lipstick like this very often. But I really like it with this look. I think the pop of lavender in the inner corner it's a matte shade, which is something I normally don't do, but I think it looks really cool. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave your video requests down below, and I will see you in my next video.